Soon after the United Democratic Party (UDP) asked the MDA government to relook on the issue as villages, raids and few himas have come out in protest against the government's decision on border settlement with Assam. The state BJP said that it will be an injustice to the border residents if the state government goes ahead with its decision. Hegg said that he has made it clear since day one that it is of prime importance to take all the stakeholders on board and arrive upon a mutual agreement. He reiterated that piecemeal solution will not work and the government should have taken all the 12 disputed areas together instead of going in a phased manner. It may be mentioned that both Assam and Meghalaya chief ministers are scheduled to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah on March 27th to deliberate on the issue.
It is a must to consult with the stakeholders, the main stakeholders of that particular disputed areas. Till the mutual understanding stuff, and also at the same time I told don't resolve the disputed area on the piecemeal manner. You have to go, as I already told you also the other day, all the 12 disputed area, it has to be resolved in once and for all, in one go only.
Northeastern Space Application Center